So when there's something new I'm going to do to make my life much easier each time I'm putting something in the tractor, that is this kind of thing. This is very hard to put these joint points, very difficult to put, or these ones. And someone told me if I put some wheels, then I can approach this into the tractor and it will be much easier. So let's see how we are going to do it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. So here we are. First one. Boom, boom. First one ready to go. Up, 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 up. Looks nice. Another one. I guess this will be very, very tight. So let me, well, there's no force. This is how it's going to be. Let me change to another one that makes less noise. Hoppa. Like this one, for example. Let's see if this will work. Boom. Nice. Another one. Change the wheel that way. Wow, this looks good. Let's make a pause and make it in the end. Oh, so that's it. Let's check it out. I think it's a job well done. So let's see how it will work. Oh, boom, boom, boom. I love it. Looks amazing, huh? Then you can put the thing on top and roll near the tractor. Basic, very nice. I love it. See you guys, Manuel. That's for you.